Hello student, welcome again to our mathematics class. Now today I am going with the divisibility test. Divisibility test, you know better that if a number is divisible by second number, the second number is also divisible by the first number. So that is the divisibility test. Supposing if 3 is a divisor of 6, then 6 is divisible by 3. Now moving on to the divisibility test. Divisibility test of 2, 3, 4 and likewise one after the other we are going to I am going to explain you with various examples. Now a number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit is divisible by 2. I mean to say, here you see the number 120, 3172, 81,396 and here 8,50,086. Here in the unit place we have 6. 6 is in the unit place. 6, 6, here 2, here 0. So these numbers are what? These numbers are even numbers which are divisible by 2. And as it is in the unit place, so whatever the number of digits they hold, those will be divisible by 2. Moving on to another one, divisibility test by 3 states that if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, it is divisible, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Here you see the example, 384 is a number. Let's take the sum of it. 3 plus 8 plus 4 is 15. 15 is nothing but it is divisible by 3. So 384 is also divisible by 3. There are various examples I have given. That is 217095 is another example, and the sum of this is equal to 24. So again the 24 is also divisible by 3. So 217095 is divisible by 3. Moving on to the divisibility test of 4. Here in the divisibility test of 4, it states that if the last 2 digits in the given number, whatever the number of digits, maybe of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, so if the last 2 digit, unit and tens place digit, if it is divisible by 4, then we can say that the given number, whatever the number of digits, that is being divisible by 4. Now moving on to fifth, divisibility test of 5, and divisibility test of 5 states that if its unit place in any number of digits, if the digits found at its unit place, see the example 205, 3075, here 15000, here 806005, here in the unit place you find 5 and 0. So if 5 or 0 if you find at its unit place, that is divisible by 5. Now moving on to another divisibility test of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So if the given number, supposing let's take an example as 68370. This is the number in which we find the digit at unit place is 0, which is divisible by 2. Or we can say that it is even, and its sum is 24, which is also divisible by 3. So since this 68370 is divisible by both of the number 2 as well as by 3, so this given number, such type of given number are divisible by 6. Moving on to 7, divisibility test of 7. Here it states that if the difference between twice the last digit and the number made by other digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Let's go with an example. Here is the number given 2387. In 2387, we are going to take the last digit as 7. The 7 is the last digit, so that last digit is being taken, 238 is left, that is being written over here, and subtracting 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is, that is 14. So here 224 we got. 224 is nothing but it is a multiple of 7. So we can say the given number is divisible by 7. Moving on to the divisibility test of 8. Number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. The last 3 digits 9, 6, 5, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 1, 6, 7, 2, 0, 0. Here you see the last 3 digits. If you divide, you will see the last 3 digits, if they are divided by 8, then whatever the number of digits it holds, that is divisible by 8. Moving on to another one, it is divisibility test by 9. So, divisibility test of 9 states that if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, suppose let's take an example for this to make you understand. 7326 is the number I have taken. After taking the sum of all these, we got 18, and the 18 is divisible by 9. So we can say 7326 is divisible by 9. Moving on to another one, divisibility test by 10. If the unit digit here, if it is 0, in any number of digits, if the unit digit, if the digit found at its unit place is 0, then those number will be divisible by 10. Moving on to another divisibility test of 11. Here 11 divisibility test, number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digit in odd places and the sum of the digits in even places starting from its unit place is either 0 or divisible by 11. Let us take an example so as to make you understand. Here you see 6457 is a number in which the digit at its odd places are 7 and 4 and the digits at its even places are 6 and 5. So we take the sum of 7 and 4, that is equal to 11, and 5 and 6 sum is 11. So if we find the difference is 0. So since the difference is 0, and as stated in the statement that if the difference is 0, it is divisible by 11. So the given number 6457 is divisible by 11. Let us move on to another example, 95986. Here the digits at its odd places are 6, 9 and 9. These are first digit, third digit and fifth digit. These are being added and we got 24. Sum of the digit in odd places equal to 24. And sum of the digits in even places. Even place digits are 8 and 5. Only even place digits are 8 and 5, that is being added and that is equal to 30. Take the differences, we got 11 and that 11 is divisible by 11. So this given number 95986 is divisible by 11. So with this we conclude chapter 3 and that's all for today. We'll see the next chapter in our next class.